Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, the gap is still pending at a level of $4.1. Okay, first thing. Second thing is that it is moving in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, second thing. And the third thing is that after pandemic it has created a pattern, same like crude. Okay, what this pattern is saying, that whenever it is hitting its previous high, look at this particular pattern, it is making a sharp fall. Okay, and fifth time it is continuously being created. Okay, it has not made a swing, so that for the sixth time it should break that particular zone, but it is continuously on the downside. Now what you can see looking at this particular chart, a probability of going further upside is there, and I have already explained you that if the price sustain above a level of 2.4, chances was very high it can cross a level of 2.8, and it has already crossed, you can see. Okay, because there is a U pattern forming. Okay, and if the price move above a level of $3, again we can see a further upside movement. But remember, whatever I am saying as per the chart, always set your SL so that your capital can be saved. Always trail your SL so that your profit can be saved. Okay, this is two things. And important thing is that always set a limit for your particular trade, for your particular day, for a particular week, and for a particular month. What is the benefit? You will save your capital. Suppose if you are taking 5 trades also, and for the 5th trade you are not having your capital, then, and if that trade made you good profit, then you are losing that particular profit. So you have to save your capital and adjust your day, week and month in such a way that you should know when and how much capital to put, so that you can make a profit on the 5th if that is your good income. Okay, and you are thinking that that trade can give you a good return. Okay, so always try to save your capital. That is the important thing. You can make profit. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the month on Monday, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2.859. Okay, as per day wise chart I am telling you. Okay, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.888. Okay, now once the price sustain above that particular level, it can touch a level of around $3.058. Okay, keep that in mind. This is the high of this particular zone. Okay, so once the price sustain above $3.058, chances are very high it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of touching a level of $3.326 is there. Okay, so once the price sustain above $3.058, chance of touching 3.326 is there, and if the price move above that particular level, chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $3.429. Okay, and once the price sustain above $3.429, chances are very high it can cross that particular zone, and probability that it can touch a level of around 3.6. So keep it in mind that once the price sustain above $3, then only we can see a level of 3.3 to a level of 3.429, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 3.6. Most of these resistance are already being tested. Okay, so probability of going further upside is there. So once the price sustain above that level, we can see a level of $3.75 to a level of $3.9, and then further upside if the price sustain that level. Now if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, you cannot say that the market will move in one direction, upside or downside. How market moves in normal days like this. Okay, in the same way it comes down. Okay. But otherwise, if there is a big event, then we can see a volatility can be high and a market can move in a good volatile range. But otherwise, a normal day it moves like this. Okay, so you have to keep that when the event is coming, you have to be ready. You have to be ready to how much quantity to take, how much risk to take, and all this. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, the next support we can see coming at a level of $2.783. Okay, so from this particular level a bounce back can come. Okay, so you have to remember that once a bounce back can come, so you can book half your profit at this particular level. Okay, but if this level didn't sustain, then we can see the next support coming at a level of around $2.758 to a level of 2.715. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of around 2.686 is there. And if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further down will be there, and then we can see a level of $2.605. okay, see, once the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.605 to a level of 2.575. okay, these are on the day wise chart. You have to remember that. So your target is small as well as your SL also should be small. Okay, and once the price fall below $2.575, chances of touching a level of 2.502 is there, and from there we can see a level of $2.474. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of around 2.37 is there, and once the price fall below 2.37, we can see it can touch a level of around 2.350. okay, so if once started falling below this level, because a trend line will break if it moves below a level of $2.350. okay, and a probability is high that it can move further low, and a probability of touching a level of 2.190 is there. okay, and this $2.190 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $2.054. okay, and once the price fall below, because this level is already being tested here and a weak support, so chances are high it will move in this particular zone, and chances of touching a level of around 1.952 is there, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1.798. okay, and if the price fall below $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.